Hello everyone, this is Joey and I'm back with my 2019 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. What are we going to do today? Well, I finally got a pair of mirrors to replace these hideous bitches. So, what did I get? Let's go grab them. Bow. Let's see if I can put these down and we can look at them. Oh, CRG, just one-handed, boom. There's the 3-inch Hindsight mirrors. They go on the end of the bar ends, replacing the giant Shrek ears up top. Usually I'm a big fan of Shrek, but these are gonna look way better than that. They clip on. If you take this off, they're gonna clip on right there, making this super easy to do. So let's do that right now and make sure that we grab a photo of before and after, since this is gonna be good. All right, so there's this little rubber grommet thing here. Let's take that off. I'm wondering if we can just, I don't know if that's doing anything. All right, there's a wrench right here. Well, no, this is definitely doing something. How's that? Still fine. This comes off. Can't go back on. So there we go, that's done. Same thing here. Let's give it a little twist. Break that grommet. Done. There's some like metal dust in there, so I'm just gonna clean this off real quick. So this like entire little small black thing spins, but I think I'm gonna take the end cap out to see what I'm working with and then put these on. Knows what the secret is. You can push in, push out, pull in, push out, something like that. So I just went live in one of the Royal Enfield Facebook groups and no one said anything. But then I tried to like pry it out and I'm starting to get a little more wiggle room. And I'm hoping that this might just work. Probably not the best thing to do, but this is working. I'm wondering how it's going to be to get it back in. Wow, this is a hell of a fucking bar. Calm down. I feel like it doesn't need to be this big. That was in the bar. All right, for this part, you're gonna need a 5/32 metric. You need to take over both of these, open them up a bit. Then you're gonna clamp them down over this. A little bit like this. I'm gonna try not to completely take them out. I don't think you need to. There are fireworks right now, not gunfight. Well, that looks fun. Now that that's on, let's get this girl back in there. I'm a bit scared of putting this in right now. All right, so mirrors are done. It was a pain in the ass. I think something was wrong with my kit or my setup because I kept spinning that Allen wrench, nothing happened. I went on Facebook, people were like, use the electric Allen wrench, it'll come right out. Never did anything, it just spun. And then I looked at it, it didn't look like anything happened. But look how much better it looks. Boo, 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 boo. So much better than the Shrek ears. But thank you guys so much for watching this far. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Lots of more content, lots of more content. That's fucked up. I'm sorry for Italian Americans and Italians out there for being a dick. That's it right now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Right safe, guys.